Array elements can be changed using the index number. Let's change the first element of our array to Kiwi. We'll start off with the name of the array, fruits, and then specify the index number corresponding to the value we want to amend. And that's it. Once we save our file, we can preview it in our web browser. And we can now see that the first value, apple, has been amended to kiwi. If we were to change the index number, let's say to 3, and save our file and refresh, we can see that grape has now changed to kiwi. We can also delete elements in an array using index numbers as well. Let's delete pear from our list of elements. Since pear would have the index number 2, we can type the following. We'll save our file. And in our web browser, we can now see that there is an empty space where pear would have appeared.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer.